There's a huge difference between a diffuser and a humidifier. I think you guys should know because it will help you make better choice based on what you want. Okay, I'll share that in this video as well. I'll also do like a full tutorial of how to use a diffuser, what you need to know, how you can set it up and start to enjoy this experience, because guys, my home smells absolutely amazing and I'm really loving it. Okay, in this video I'll be exploring this amazing 500 ml aroma diffuser ultrasonic air purifying humidifier. This particular device is just a diffuser. I will tell you guys as I progress in this video. For those that are looking to upgrade their home, I would recommend you have one of these. I'll also tell you why as well. Just keep watching till the end. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex. I am a content creator, a poet and a movie audio editor. All I love to do here on my channel is share relevant information. I'm sure you find this particular video helpful. Kindly share with every other person you know that will find this particular video helpful as well. I'll link previous videos that I have done for you guys to see the one that is of help to you. And also please do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this amazing channel. Just hit the red cute subscribe button, turn on post notification. That will notify you when I post another video here on YouTube. Okay, my returning subscribers, you guys are the realest MVPs. Thank you for all you do. I really appreciate each and every one of you here on my platform. Thank you for bringing other people to my channel and sharing my videos. You guys are the realest MVPs. Thank you guys so much. Okay, I'm a huge fan of scent candles. Shout out to Mr. Israel for this particular gift, which is a Candelita raspberry splash. I absolutely love it. I'm also hoping to have him here on my YouTube channel as a guest because he's a movie colorist. I would love him to come and share some experiences with us and also some other important things that may not be known to the public that should be known to help your video creation skills. I've done some other videos related to production, filmmaking, and some things you need to know if you're already in the film industry. Please check the description box because I'm going to drop some of those videos below. Okay, let us move forward. So wherever you choose to use a diffuser is up to you, in your home, in your office. I did a research to know the difference between a diffuser and a humidifier, and based on my research I discovered that a standard humidifier cannot be turned into a diffuser by adding essential oil to the water tank. For those that don't know what an essential oil is, as you progress in this video you definitely know what I'm talking about. Okay, further into my research I discovered that diffusers are generally smaller device designed to be used with essential oil, while humidifiers are typically devices designed to regulate moisture in the air. You can see the difference. To regulate moisture in the air, most times a humidifier does an absolutely amazing job in that regard. But if you want your home to smell very good, you want to use scent oils, I'll definitely recommend a diffuser based on research. Okay, at this point let me show you guys how mine works. Okay, this is what my own scent oil looks like. All right, so I bought it in a shopping mall. I saw other ones but I prefer this particular one because of the way it smells. Mine is an aromatherapy. You can do more research about that. Okay, that's if you're interested. So this particular diffuser was packed in this carton, so it came with a remote. So I don't know how yours will be. When I nearly got mine, there was a nylon here, so I pulled it out. The remote starts working. They put that nylon there so that the battery don't run out before you get to use it. I think that is the purpose. Step by step how to use a diffuser. All right, so the first thing to do is to pour water into the diffuser, the amount of water that you feel will be enough for you. Okay, then you add your scent oil, and this is dependent on you. After that, you cover the lid. At this point you can control with the remote control. If you want the light on, you want the light off, you want to set the timer. The most important reason why you should cover the lid is because you don't want the water to spill out. I'm going to open the lid a bit for you guys to see exactly what I just talked about. Bear in mind that this fragrance smells absolutely amazing. It's a raspberry fragrance because that is what I want. The one you want to choose is up to you. Okay, so you can buy your scent oil anywhere, in a shopping mall, in an open market, or a designated supermarket. I got mine at Blanco. Some of the attendants were referring to it as air freshener. So far as you know what you're going to look for, just read and pick the one you desire, okay? So another thing is that it uses any form of electricity. Mine came with a USB cable that I can connect to my solar charge controller or directly to my socket. Just anywhere that this particular USB cord can fit, you can also try that as well. So most times I'm home, I definitely have my diffuser on. That's because the scent oil is a breathable scent oil, okay? Please buy the one that suits you. Know yourself, know what you are allergic to, so that you don't come on my channel and say you watched something on my channel and it's affected you. Please know your body, know what works for you. For this particular one, I'm really enjoying how my home feels, okay? So guys, let me know in the comment section if you watch this video and you learned something from it, okay? I'm definitely here to read your comments and also share my experience as well with you guys, just in case you want to hear more. For those that have been using diffusers and you've experienced something you want us to know about, please drop that in the comment section as well. Or maybe I omitted something I was supposed to say. You can also put that in the comment section as well. I love the way it makes my home smell and feel, okay? So guys, if you have not seen my video where I talked about installing a solar energy in my home, I'll leave that video linked above the screen and also in the description box for you guys to go check out. Like I said, my channel is about sharing information. For anybody that finds my content helpful, please, I'll really appreciate you share the video, because when I was doing the research to buy my diffuser, I did not see so many Nigerians talking about this. So that is why I thought to myself it would be good to have someone looking like me come and talk about something like this. Maybe a lot of people will understand better, okay? So guys, you can check online. There's so many places for you to get a diffuser. You can check on several online shopping platforms. You can go to some stores. Just buy what you can afford, what you would enjoy, and let it be based on your choice. Whatever color, shape or size, that's up to you, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. I have more videos coming for you guys. If you have not subscribed, you will not be aware. So please hit the red cute subscribe button, turn on post notification. When I post another video, instantly you get notified. I remain my humble self, Glory Rex. So guys, enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.